Welcome students, good morning. Myself Kukureja Rahul, and today we also learn about the Heron's formula chapter number 12. Okay. So in the previous lecture we are learn about the area of the quadrilateral, and that quadrilateral we are dividing them into the two triangles. Okay. And after that we have to find the area of triangle, each of triangle using Heron's formula or using half base into height. Okay. So in today's session we have also seen some more example or more questions that are related to the your textbook, or that are related to also with the quadrilaterals. Okay, area of quadrilaterals. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. Standard 9th, and this is Heron's formula. Okay, we are learn. Okay, the name of the chapter, that is Heron's formula. So now there is a question that is also given in your textbook, that is Radha, make a picture of an aeroplane with color paper as shown in the figure. Find the total area of the paper used. That means find the total area that is make to picture. Okay. Then the shape of the figure that are given as a this is a triangle, here is a rectangle, and in base there is a isosceles trapezium. Okay, and here is given as a right angle triangle, two right angle triangle with equal areas. Okay, there is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 region. There is a 5 region. Okay, so we have to find the area of the all of this 5 region, and finally we have to add them. Okay, at the end. So measurement of the figures are given, that is first figure, that is 5 centimeter in the triangle, here given as a 5 centimeter. Here is a given 5 centimeter. So this triangle is also isosceles triangle, so also we have to take this side as also 5 centimeter. Okay, now for this two triangle there is a 6 centimeter 6 centimeter. Okay, from this to this portion there is a 6 centimeter. Okay, and the height of this triangle, that is particular this, the height of the triangle, that is 1.5 centimeter, that is 1.5 centimeter. Okay, and that's a right angle triangle also given. Okay, now we are going for the rectangular portion. For the rectangular portion there is a total length, that is 6.5 centimeter. Total length of rectangle, that is 6.5 centimeter. Okay, and breadth of rectangle, that is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. Here is a 1 centimeter, it's a rectangle, so we have to take this side of triangle also as a 1 centimeter. Okay, because opposite sides are equal in the rectangle. And also two sides, that are this one, that is also 1 centimeter, and this one is also 1 centimeter. And in the base of the trapezium, that is 2 centimeter. This part is given as a 2 centimeter. Here is not a 2 centimeter. In the actual measurement, this part is not actual 2 centimeter, but we are assuming that figure is like this, and that's given as a measurement, so we have to write that as 2 centimeter. Okay, Now we have to find the area of the particular all of the figures. Okay, 5 figures. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we have to find the area of this triangle. Okay, we have to name as a first, name this as a second, this as a third, name this as a fourth, and this is the fifth. Okay, for first part of the triangle. Okay, students, please write with me, because there is 6 kind of the figures are given, and all of these 6 kind of figures maybe I'll be rub the part of the questions. Okay, part of the figures. So if you want to write with me, then please note down. For first figure, for figure 1, okay, there is a triangular figure. So for the triangular figure, we know that there is a Heron's formula for all of this side. There is a 3 sides are given. First 5 centimeter, second also 5 centimeter, and third, that is 1 centimeter. Okay, so for that area of triangle, that is in square root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Okay, so for that we have to first find the semi perimeter. Okay, we have to first find the semi perimeter. For semi perimeter, I'll calculate it orally, because there is not any time, there is not more time to find the semi perimeter. So I'll calculate it orally. So 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 1 11. So my semi perimeter is 11 by 2. A is 5 centimeter, B is also 5 centimeter, and C is a 1 centimeter. So 11 by 2, 11, here we have to take LCM. Okay, here we have to take LCM. 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s are 10. Okay, LCM is 2, therefore we have to multiply 2 with the 5, therefore 2 5s are 10. 11 minus 10, that is 1. So my answer is 1 by 2. Here also 2 5s are 10, 11 minus 10, 1 by 2, and here 2 ones are 2, 11 minus 2, that is 9 by 2. In all of these 3 brackets, we are taking LCM. Okay, so using the LCM, you got the answer as a 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and 9 by 2. Now 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. In denominator there is a 16, and in numerator that is 11 into 9. Okay, so we know that the square root of 16, that is 4, and square root of 9, that is 3. There is not any kind of the square root of root 11, so I'll take it as it is, as root 11. So 3 by 4 root 11 centimeter square. My answer is 3 by 4 root 11 centimeter square for the first triangle. Okay, for the first triangle or first region or first figure that are given in the figure, whole figure. Okay, now we have to find for the area for the second and third. Okay, and second and third, both of them are right angle triangle, and for the both of them there is the same kind of the measurement are given. Okay, so for that I'll find the area of the only one figure, okay, and multiply with the 2 to find the area of the both of the figure. Okay, now we have to find the area of the 2 and 3, for the area of the figure 2 and 3, okay, for the area of 2 and figure 2 and 3, that is right angle triangle, therefore area of triangle, that is half base into height. Okay, so half into, that is my base of triangle, that is 6 centimeter, and height of triangle, that is 1.5 centimeter. Okay, so 2 3s are 6, therefore 15 3s are 45, that is 4.5 centimeter square. That is the area of the one triangle, that is the area of the one triangle, second region. Now I want to find the area of the third region. Okay, now I want to find the area of the third region. For that, 2 and 3 are, both of them are same figure or same shape. Okay, and both of them are right angle triangle with the same measurement. So for that, I'll multiply 4.5 to the 2 to find the area of the both of the triangle. Okay, so I'll multiply with the 2, therefore I'll write it here, that is 4.5 into 2, that is 9 centimeter square, that is 9 centimeter square. Okay, clear? Please note down fast. So after we have to continue for the figure 4th and 5th. Okay, I'll write it here, that is area of figure 1, that is 3 by 4 root 11 centimeter square. Second, that is area of figure 2 and 3, both of them are combined, that is for the 9 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of figure 4 and after area of figure 5th. Okay, and after we have to write it here. So now we have to find the area of the figure 4th and 5th. So area of the 4th and 5th, that is 4th figure, that is on the rectangular shape. So for the area of the 4th, area of figure 4th are rectangle, so we have to multiply L into B. Okay, that is length of the rectangle, that is given as a 6.5 and breadth is 1. So 6.5 into 1, that is 6.5 centimeter square. Okay, clear? For the area of the figure 4, there is a 6.5 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of the figure 5th. Area of the figure 5th. Okay, for the area of the figure 5th, there is a trapezium. Okay, so for the trapezium, we know that the area of the trapezium, that is half into sum of parallel side into height. Okay, so here is not kind of any height are given in the figure. There is not any kind of the height are given, there is all sides are given. Okay, so now I'll split this all the side into the shape of the triangle and two triangle and one rectangle to construct a perpendicular to the base. Okay. Now when I construct a perpendicular to the base from this vertex, so here is in middle portion there is my part of the rectangle. Okay, there is my part of the rectangle. So for the part of rectangle there is a opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. So from this part to this part there is also 1 centimeter are taken. Okay, here is my whole base is 2 centimeter and 1 centimeter are taken in the rectangular portion. So now for this two portion, this triangular portion, there is a how much base are required. So we have to split them as a 0.5 and 0.5 because okay, because there is a 2 centimeter are whole. So for that 0.5 plus 0.5 that is 1 and plus 1 that is 2. Okay. So now here is my right angle triangle. For that we have to find the height of the trapezium. For the height of the trapezium, first of all we have to take this triangle and we have to find the height of the trapezium as the Pythagoras formula, because here is my hypotenuse are given, base are given and height are not given for the triangle. For the triangle, height of triangle and height of trapezium both are the equal. So for that I'll name that A, B, C, D, E and F. So for the triangle ADE there is a AE square plus DE square equal to AD square. Okay, there is a height square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. This is a Pythagoras formula. Therefore AE square we have to find the height as AE square, DE as a given that is 0.5 square equal to AD as a given that is 1 square. So AE square that equal to 1 square 1 minus 0.5 square are shifted to the second side. So for that it's a plus. Now it count as a minus. So for the square of 0.5 square, that is 0.5 square is 0.25. That is a 0.25. Now AE square that is 1 minus 0.25 that is 0.75. That is 0.75. Okay. So 0.75 that is also known as 75 by 100. Now we have to take square root of, now AE is equal to square root of 75 by 100. First of all you have to cancel out from that 25 3s are 25 4s are. So my length of AE is equal to root 3 by 2. That is my root 3 by 2, because in the denominator there is a 4 and square root of 4 that is 2 and numerator that we found that is 3. So we can't calculate the root 3. Okay, so we have to take root 3 as it is. Root 3 by 2 centimeter. Okay. So now we have to take the area of the trapezium in the formula. Area of trapezium that is, area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel side into height. So half into, okay, half into sum of parallel side. There is a two parallel side, that is AB and CD are both of them are parallel to each other. So sum of parallel side that is 1 plus 2 into height are we found that root 3 by 2. Okay. So therefore 1 by 2 into 2 plus 1 3 into root 3 by 2. So therefore my answer is 3 root 3 by 2 2s are 4 centimeter square. For the trapezium portion my area is 3 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. So I will now write it here, 3 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. Okay, clear? Please note down this all first. After that we have to calculate this and add all of this area. Okay, after that we have to add all of this area. Okay, done. Now we have to add all of these things. That is, first one, that is area of now I'll write that is area of aeroplane, that is 3 root 11 by 4 plus 3 root 3 by 4 plus 9 plus 6.5. So for that, 3 root 11 plus 3 root 3 whole by 4 plus 9 plus 6, 15.5. So we have to take 3 as a common. So root 11 plus root 3 by 4 plus 15.5. Okay, so this is my final answer for the area of the aeroplane. If you want to calculate the find the root 11 and root 3, if you want to find the value of the root 11 and root 3, then you can also go for it. Okay, and after you have to calculate, that is approx value I told you, that is 19.29. If you want to calculate after this, my answer is 3 root 11 plus root 3 by 4 plus 15.5 centimeter square. Okay, but if you want to calculate after this, then if you then you also write the actual value, that is approx 19.29 centimeter square. Okay, if you want to write this value, then also you have to your answer will be correct. This is the approx value. Okay, 19.29, that is approx value. So if there is any kind of changes in your answer, that is 19.28 or 19.27 or 20.120, okay, 19.3, 19.31, 19.32, any one of them answer are found in with you, then that's also correct, because this is the approx answer. Okay, then also you have to take that. Okay, clear? Now we have to take one of the simple question and easy question from, because we don't have a more time at here. My question, that is, a rhombus is shaped in the field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If the each side of the rhombus is 13 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area for the grass will each cow are grazing? Okay, now I'll drop this. This question we will solve as fast as possible. Okay, because we don't have a more time. is a rhombus shape and there is a diagonal, one of the diagonal that is 48 and all sides are given as a 30, 30, 30 and 30 and one of the diagonal that is given as a 48 meter. Okay. So from the Heron's formula we have to find the first area of the one triangle and after that we have to take area of the second triangle. In both of triangle there is a same kind of the measurement are given for the all sides, so we have to also multiply 2 with the area of the one triangle. So for that first of all we have to find the semi perimeter a plus b plus c by 2, that is 30 plus 30 plus 48 by 2, that is 60, 60 plus 48, that is 108 by 2, therefore 54 centimeter. My semi perimeter is 54 centimeter. So area of triangle is equal to, in square root, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. S, that is 54, 54 minus 30, 54, 54 minus 30 and 54 minus 48. So for that 54 into 54 minus 30 is any kind of mistake? No. 54 minus 30, that is 24 into 24 into 54 minus 48, that is 6. So now you have to calculate the this one and we have to take pair of 24 and after factorize 54 and 6, then you got the simplest number, that is into 54, that is 27 2s are 54 into 3 into 2. Okay, so for that pair of 2 also are here is common. After 27, 27 3s are 81 and a square root of 81, that is 9. So 24 into 2 into 9. So therefore answer is 432 centimeter square. Okay, 432 centimeter square. Here the two triangles are, here is the same measurement of two triangles are found. Okay, so we have to multiply with the 2 to area of the rhombus, for the area of the rhombus. Okay, so area of rhombus, that is 2 into 432. Okay, so 2 into 432, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 864 centimeter square. Now there is a 18 cows to graze the field. So for each cow, now cows and field, that is area. So 18 cows are filled, 864 centimeter square area. So for the one cow, how much they graze? So for the 1 into 864 divided by 18, so there is my answer is approx 48 meter square. 18 divided by 864, that is 48. My answer 48 meter square area that grazed by the one cow. Okay, 48 meter square area that are grazed by the one cow. Clear students? Please note down this fast. Here is the two triangle are formed in the rhombus and both of the triangle there is a measurement of the triangle are same. Okay, there is a 30 30 48 and for the second triangle that is 30 30 and also 48. So therefore I will take the area of the one triangle, that is 432, and after that I will multiply with the 2 for the whole area of the rhombus. Okay, that's the easy method to find. If you want to calculate the area of the for the second triangle, also you have to calculate for all things, and after that you have to also add 432 plus 432, that is also 864. Okay, but that's a long method. we have to go for the multiply with the 2. Okay, that's a easy one for exam point of view. Clear? Clear students? I hope you have to understand all these things in today's session. Okay. So students, if you have any doubt, please notify me. Okay. So till then, goodbye and stay blessed.